Okay, so here we're talking dough. One of the challenges of being a raw vegan is getting the perfect bread replacement, or especially in this case, a pizza dough that doesn't contain yeast. So yeast is in all of our commercially prepared breads, sourdough, white bread, and that is the challenge. However, I have made 2 pizza crusts that are actually delicious. Here I wanted to recreate a pizza dough that was raw vegan. The secret to good pizza is in the dough, and when it works right, it's magical. Now the only thing different here is the temperature that we're baking it at, and it is being dehydrated. So to make this pizza dough, I'm using 3 cups of Japanese white yam, and I'm going to finely shred it in my food processor. Next, I'm going to add as an egg substitute equal amounts of flaxseed and almond milk, 3/4 cups each. And you can add whatever seasonings you like. I added Italian seasoning to mine. I'm just going to lightly stir, and I'm going to put it into the Vitamix to blend it one final time slowly to give it that dough consistency. Because the ingredients are wet in nature, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 cups of oat flour. That's going to dry it up and allow you to roll it out into your pizza crust.